Welcome to Clever One. In this tutorial, we will show you the power that Clever One and the AI features it offers to enhance your productivity and streamline your workflow. Let's dive in. To get started and segment your data, click on the Segment button on the lower left of your screen. Click on OK to this pop-up message letting you know segmentation has not been done on this patient yet. Click OK to this information pop-up window. The segmentation process is now running in the background. This may take several minutes to complete. Once your segmentation is complete, this orange circle will appear on your Settings button here. Click on OK to this message to apply segmentation to all tabs. Click the Segment button. The CT data will load with the segmentation window. Click on the Segment button to view your segments. All segmented anatomy will be selected. You may deselect any anatomy by unchecking any of these selections by category. Select or deselect any segmented data here. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial, and we wish you the best of luck in your journey with Clever One.